Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to get free wood for all your projects. We got all this wood for free. I made a few spatulas, coasters, it's 6 sets of the round ones and one of the square ones. Cutting board. If you want to see how I came to this, let's get into the video.
I was working the other day when I saw this log, so later I went to grab it. I don't know why I forgot to film where I found it, but I figured I could do something good with it because I always like to make something nice out of free wood, and I like to see what kind of wood it is, what kind of surprise it holds inside. Usually wood like this is very beautiful from the inside. So if you're interested in making something and you don't want to spend the money to buy new wood because the wood is very expensive, just go somewhere where there's a lot of trees. Usually there's a tree or a few that are dead, that have been dead for a few years, and then they're nice and dry, so then just grab that, take it home, and make something nice out of it. I always like a nice challenge with some dry wood and just see what I can make out of that. Oops, there goes the phone. I need a photographer. Well, back to woodworking. Seems like the phone is okay. Yeah, here I just cut it up into smaller pieces so that I could handle it better. And then I want to make a cutting board out of that, and I want to make a few spatulas and some coasters. So I made some coasters out of this in my previous video. That was just a short video. If you'd be interested in that, you could go watch that. I think those were the most beautiful coasters I had ever seen. The wood is so beautiful with all the different grain patterns in it. Here I was just slicing it up to make the spatulas and planing it.
Oh yeah.
If you'd like to see more of the stuff that I do, you could go to my Instagram page. It's Kron's Carpenter Shop, and there I post a lot of pictures and stuff of what I make. You could go check that out. I will leave a link in the description. That is for the cutting board. Just made 6 5x5 inch squares, and like that I can screw them up and hopefully it'll be a nice cutting board. I will that will be for a different video, and here in the future I will post that video how I make that cutting board. It'll have some epoxy and stuff like that. This wood is very hard, so it's perfect for stuff like this. There I'm just tapering the end off so that it's thinner, but I needed more wood, so let's go grab more wood. I wasn't done with all that wood yet, but I just wanted to try something new. So I found a dead tree and chopped it off. It's also a maple, but it was supposed to be a pink maple, and it wasn't, so unfortunately.
Is that good?
It was snowing a bit. Weirdo. My friend came over, was here for the evening, so I got him to film. That was very nice of him. That made it easier for me. That I didn't have to put up the phone, and it always takes long, especially when it falls over. So what I want with this dead log is I want to make coasters out of it. I want to see if I can make round coasters. Here I'm just attaching a piece of wood so when I run it over the bandsaw that it doesn't just turn on me and try to get my fingers in there. I think there'll be some nice coasters to get nice all the edges off and then get through the drum sander. That was a big mess, but we still had a lot of wood left, and if you want to see how I finish some of this stuff, then see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.